Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify store step by step. First, you will sign up for a Shopify account, which typically offers a 3-day free trial, followed by a $1 per month plan for the first 3 months. Next, choose a memorable store name and secure your custom domain. Finally, select a theme that reflects your brand, customizing its appearance to create an inviting online presence for your customers. Now, let's populate your store with products. Upload clear, high-resolution images and write compelling descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Group similar items into collections, making it simple for customers to navigate. Don't forget to accurately set your pricing, manage inventory to avoid overselling, and define shipping rates for a smooth checkout experience. Next, we'll set up your payment and shipping options. Activate Shopify payments for seamless transactions or integrate other popular gateways like PayPal. Define your shipping zones and rates, considering factors like weight and destination to offer fair prices. It's also crucial to review and configure your tax settings to ensure your store operates in full compliance with all applicable local and international regulations. Finally, it's time to launch your store. Before going live, thoroughly review all settings and perform a test order to ensure everything works perfectly. Once you're confident, remove the password protection and officially open your digital doors. Begin promoting your new business through social media campaigns, email newsletters, and other marketing efforts to attract your first customers and grow your brand.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.